Wala exemption.
Ibase sa parents.
Ang parents na kayo, bata, kay baka malinaw. Dali ka sa anak ni Ate Jam. Dali. Pinamimitan. 10. Okay. 12. Paubos. Yourself. Dayon, inyong kaon, inyong mama o papa para mabuo mo ha? Okay. So, first, group yourself into 5. Kuha yung mama o papa para maka-5 mo. Group yourself into 5. At ano yung mama papa bilang ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. Group yourself into 5. Pakita mo makabalik sa inyong 5. Sige, 5. Buo ang 5. Buo ang 5. Buo na sila. 5. Wow, magandang matibay. Group yourself into 3. 3. Ibili na baby. Okay. Group yourself into 2. 2. Group yourself into 4. Group yourself into 3. Balik, 3. Ano rin kami? Patuwag ka rin. Group yourself into 4. Hindi na magbigyan ng bata. Hindi na magbigyan ng bata. O hindi, pwede manuwin. Kasi sila sa kanyang teacher. 1, 2, 3, go. Chicken. Banana. Ang anak kayo, chicken.
JESUSCHRIST.
Very good. Chicken fries. Favorite fries from Miss Tracy. Alert. What date is Christmas Day celebrated?
December 25.
Spell December 25 in words. Five. Very good. Correct. Favorite right. On the 5th day of Christmas, what gift is given in the song? Dali, okay. Paminaw mo ni kahayan ang ikanta na yun. You listen sa answer. Okay, nasa answer niyang, nasa song niyang answer. On the 5th day of Christmas, Rika will sing. The 5th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 5 golden rings. Sige na lang. Malunin, naka-prize si Rika. Sige na lang sa 5th day of Christmas. 5 golden fingers. David.
We will give consideration kay yung ingon man. What is this? Finger.
5 golden rings. Yay! Nikanta ko for birthday prize. Miss Grace, nikanta ko. Promise, nikanta ko. Okay. What animal pulls Santa's sleigh? What animal?
Deer.
Deer? Hey deer! Hindi ko na kinakasya na pa. Ha? Bird! The bird pulls Santa's sleigh!
Deer.
Ako yung consideration ng iyaha is deer. Reindeer. Spell like deer.
RANDER.
Wow, reindeer. Okay, bring me ako natin ginawa. Okay, ayaw ka ulaw. Bring me the Secretary of Sir Gilbert Oy Machao! No, it's not me. Dito. Makita ka. Ano, di? Alam mo, may problema ka naman sa kalibo. Dugol, okay